Greetings everyone, welcome to this evening's trader tip. In tonight's video, I'd like to cover an important topic that's often skipped by new traders. It's skipped by veteran traders as well, and the mistake ends up costing them a lot of money someday. In this case, you want to ask yourself, have you taken all the needed steps to protect yourself as a trader? In other words, what happens tomorrow if your power goes out? Would you know who to call? Would you know what to do? How about if your execution dome locked up or you simply lost control of the position that you had in the market? Would you know who to call? Would you know what to do? Well, just like a fire drill, it's important you know what to do in the event of a trading emergency. Let's review the most common and ways to avoid these issues in the future. The most common issues you'll face will be with the electricity and the internet connection in your home office or wherever you're trading at. Now, as traders, we rely on fast and, most importantly, a reliable internet connection that's going to give us price on our charts and obviously allow us to execute trades via the internet on a central exchange. Well, in the event that your power goes out, you may be sitting there with nothing going on, but you may also be in a trade as well. So you need to assume that the worst is going to happen and prepare for it. In addition to your power and internet, we also deal with computer freezes. That'll leave your charts paralyzed, and you'll simply be sitting there completely held hostage, waiting for more accurate information as the charts slowly unfreeze, or you may need to restart your computer. It'll only happen to you once before you know exactly what I'm talking about. Let's get the facts straight first. When you connect to the internet and you execute trades, you're logging those trades on a central exchange. Of course, this doesn't apply to FOREX. So all you FOREX traders watching tonight, this is just for futures and for stocks. When you're executing those trades, you're logging those trades on a central exchange, which means that your computer doesn't even really need to be on once those trades have been executed. For example, let's say you put a market order out there and you get filled for 3 contracts, and your order also contains stop orders in the form of 3 profit targets with an initial stop loss of 10 points. So you've got your order filled at 1,001, and then you've also got your 3 profit targets, which are stop orders, and of course your initial stop loss, which is also a stop order. Okay, now if your computer freezes, or your power goes out, or you somehow lose control over this trade, you lose your connection, those orders are still sitting there in the market, although you just simply can't remove them or manipulate them anymore. So they're still there. Now, if this happens, you'll always make the call to your broker first, requesting, get me out of this position as soon as possible. Now, most brokers will have certain people on staff that are always watching these people's positions. Okay, now, and if your account's brand new, there's a pretty good likelihood they're watching your account right now. So an easy fix to this is have an index card or a whiteboard or something handy with the name, all possible contact information for the order desk at your broker. Okay, not the person that opened your account, not the receptionist, but the person they're either called the order desk or the risk desk or someone who has the authority to pull the trigger, executing that, getting your trade out of the market. Okay, the person who will literally exit the position for you. Well, having the information in a place you can easily reach for is obviously highly recommended. And don't be afraid to use it, guys. Pick up the phone and call your broker. Now, if you lose control of your position in any way, okay, and you don't have this information handy, you're going to need to purchase a new set of pants, okay, in addition to covering all of the losses on that trade, because it puts yourself in a very scary situation. Trading on its own is stressful enough sometimes. Okay, not having the ability to control a position that's live in the market, okay, is a horrible situation. So be prepared for it. It will only happen once. And by the way, remember, you want to have a phone that works without the power in your home. So maybe a cell phone, or get yourself one of those old rotary phones, okay, that doesn't actually plug into any electrical outlet, just the wall jack. Anything that doesn't require you to have power in the outlets, or else having the right information really won't get you that far. Remember, expect the best, but plan for the worst in your trading, right? Protect capital first, chase profits second. And tomorrow, pretend for a moment that you just lost power. See how you handle the situation. Hope it helps, guys. For more information on joining as a member of the School of Trade, check us out online, schooloftrade.com. Go to our blog, that's /BLOG. Send us an email, sales@schooloftrade.com. As always, hope it helps. Stay tuned for more tips, guys.